Have you ever heard someone call it ketchup instead of ketchup? Well, my grandma did. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a ketchup bottle, a can of soda, and a hairdryer, something I don't use anymore. After today's lesson, you're going to be far more confident in drawing those everyday objects. You know, what really messed with my head, it wasn't really the name, it was just trying to draw the bottle. We use basic shapes, foreshortening tricks, and a few simple techniques that you're going to love. It's going to make it so much more easier. So grab your pencil and let's do this together. My name's Kurt, and I'm a dad who draws.
Let's draw a ketchup bottle. Okay, we have to Ketchup. My grandmother used to call it catsup. Ooh, boy, look at that. Mine's not quite square there. All right. And then the cap here is a little bit more closer to eye level where the bottom isn't. So this is why this is so foreshortened. Let's draw a soda can. Minor axis. Okay, that bottom ellipse is going to be much less foreshortened. You see if I continue it, you can see it's much more less foreshortened. Let's draw a hairdryer here. We'll start off with this minor axis. So this is going to be the front end. This is where the motor is going to be. Okay, we're going to extend a handle here. So let's follow the form around. Now watch this. Here we go. I'm going to follow the form around. That's where the handle will attach to the hairdryer. Now this is a cheap version because oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I just blew it. Oh, I lost my concentration for a second. Look at this. This angle, look at this angle right there. Okay. So that's the most important angle. I put the bottom, look at that. Look at the angle I made the bottom of that hairdryer. We don't want to do that. I'm going to get those coming back here. So I'm going to erase that. Okay, let's try that again. All right, there you go. That's a much better angle. Wow. Now that would be an awful grip, right? So we have to, let's make that grip a little bit nicer. Let's curve this and then curve that. And we'll use surface lines to make that like it was padded. Okay, we'll put some buttons here. And then maybe the cord is going to come out the bottom. So that what should we do? All right, so let's and let's make a plug. Plums. Thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. If you do have additional questions, please join our Facebook group. It's totally for free. Post your questions in there. You could direct it toward me, or even down here in the comments below. You could ask a question, and I will try and answer it my best. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.